Unable to install update iOS 18 beta? Fix it now. Updating to iOS 18 beta didn't go as smooth as you expected. This video will provide some fixes to resolve the unable to install iOS 18 beta issue. Update to iOS 18 beta in one click. Make sure iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to the iSunshare official website to get iOS Repair Genius. Open the software. Click on the iOS Upgrade/Downgrade option. Select Upgrade iOS. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Select iOS 18 beta and click Download button to get it. Way 1. Check Apple server status. Go to Apple's System Status page. Check for any warnings or issues with services related to iOS software installation. Way 2. Check the storage space on iPhone. Tap Settings. Tap General. Tap iPhone storage. Check if the free storage is less than 8 GB. You can delete unnecessary files or apps to free up memory before proceeding with the update. Way 3. Restart iPhone. Sometimes there are temporary software glitches in background processes that can interfere with the update process, and restarting the device can easily clear these minor issues. Way 4. Reset all setting. Open the Settings app and go to General Reset page. Select the Reset All Settings option. Enter your passcode and confirm the reset. After that, you can try downloading and installing iOS 18 beta again. Way 5. Re-download iOS 18 beta update file. Go to Developer Account page. Sign in with your Apple ID account. Re-download iOS 18 beta update file. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.